Here we have some Hong Kong snack. I know this one. This one is egg tart. Let me try. Spicy but good. I like it. Fishball. Well, my hometown flavor is not just the simple pizza or carbonara that are known in Hong Kong mainly. I come from the north, so the northern dishes are really my hometown flavor. I have many traditional dishes in my menu and represent most of the classics. One, for example, is called tajarin. It is a noodle from my grandmother's recipe, very typical of Turin city. My grandmother is the traditional housewife in Italy, but she's amazing. She knows how to cook, she knows how to handle the family, and from her I get all these secret recipes, and I'm bringing them here all at once. The tajarin is noodles made only with egg yolk and flour, and this gives them a very rich texture. We usually only eat on Christmas. In Hong Kong, I want to bring some really authentic flavor, but different from the others, different from what you already seen nowadays. And by using the proper products, by using my family recipe and my own creativity, I made a special menu for you at Angelini to come and try.